Mr. Joshi lives in a beautiful community. He learns that solar is the lowest cost power in the world now. He remembers that his neighbor had installed a solar system. Freyr Energy is one of the fastest growing solar companies in India. Freyr Energy delivers world-class solar systems to homes and businesses across India, using a very unique combination of proprietary technology and on-ground presence. With the SunPro Plus app and support from the experts, Mr. Joshi could finalize the solar system that meets all his requirements. Freyr's team ensures quick and professional installation, providing Mr. Joshi with a seamless experience from exploring to experiencing solar. Mr. Joshi is impressed with Freyr's approach, transparency of information, single point of contact for going solar, professional after-sales support round the clock. Mr. Joshi is one happy customer now. Mr. Joshi is now saving 90% in his electricity bills. He is now advocating solar to his friends and family. Freyr Energy believes that solar benefits everyone and they can impact the environment in a positive manner. Be at the forefront of clean energy transition, making solar simple.